Hi and welcome to Stamping Videos. Today we're going to make these cute little explosion boxes. These have been around for quite a while because I made a couple of these at workshops probably 3 or 4 years ago. There's great written instructions at splitcostampers.com, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to make them. When you open them up, they have a greeting on the inside, so they're great if you want to put someone's favorite tea or a little bag full of chocolates or mints or whatever you want to do to give to a neighbor or something. It's a quick little box to make, and it's really cute. And this one, the lid has been stamped as well as on the inside as well, around the greeting. So let's get started. To make the bottom of the box, you're going to need a piece of cardstock that's 7.5 inches by 7.5 inches. You're going to score it at 2.5 inches and again at 5 inches. And then you're going to turn your cardstock this way and you're going to score it again at 2.5 inches and 5 inches. And then what you're going to do is take your cutter, your scoring tool. So what I do is I take my top point and I put it where the groove is, and I take my bottom point and I put it where the groove is. And then you're just going to score from the middle of the box and up, and score from the middle of the box and down, and then turn it this way and do the same thing. So basically you're going to get score lines not inside this square area, but you're going to get score lines here, 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 and here. Now to make it neater, I'm just going to cut the corners off. So my score lines go here and here. So again, I'm going to put the ends of the score lines at in the grooves. I'm just going to cut off the very top part of the corner. And you don't have to do this. You can just leave them as they are. I just find it's a little bit neater. Easier to open and close the box. Now I'm just going to stamp a greeting on the inside of the box. So I'm going to ink up my stamp and I'm going to stamp right in the middle of the middle square. And you can also stamp images around here if you want. That's going to be the inside of the box. But right now I'm just going to show you the outside. So I'm just going to take some stamps and randomly stamp all over. And then you're just going to score, or you're going to fold all of your scored lines. And you're going to fold the side ones in. So that's going to make the bottom of your box. Now for the top of your box, you're going to need a piece that's 4 1/4 by 4 1/4, and you're just going to score at 3/4 of an inch on each side. And you're just going to fold your scored lines. You're going to take a pair of scissors and cut up to the scored line here. Same with on the other side. And it's just going to make the top of the box. So I would recommend sticky strip, but I'm just going to use snail for now, so it's quicker. And that's basically it. Put your lid on. And take a piece of ribbon that's about, mine's 27 inches, but that's because I'm going to tie a bow. If you just want to tie a knot at the top, that's fine too. And there's your pretty box. These are ones in different colors. So thanks for stopping by, and I hope you have a great day of stamping.